Isa natin sa glass yung na-blend nating pears and apple yogurt smoothie. Tingnan natin kung tikman natin kung ano ba ang lasa. Wow, masarap ito kapag may masarap yan kapag may ice cube. Diba? Yan siya eh. So, ito na guys, titikman na natin yung pear smoothie. Ito yon. Tikman natin kung ano ba ang lasa. Para siyang gatas ah. Para talagang gatas. It's look like milk. Sarap. Yung tamis nito at yung tamis ng apple naghalo. And then, di ba yung yogurt, yung sugar, yun. Kaya katamtaman lang. Mas masarap to kapag mas refreshing kapag may ice cube. This is my breakfast. So, if you want to try this one, just check it out and follow what I did in this smoothie. Wow. I just say wow. Sarap. Kapag pumupunta sa lalamunan, ang sarap talaga. Shout out sa inyong lahat. Iwan ko lang kung sa lilipatan kong bahay is makaka-blend ako ng smoothie. I hope so. Sarap talaga. So, shout out to all of you there, guys. Thank you so much for watching my mix video. And I'm always saying that enjoy what you have. Cheers. So, yun na. Nakalahati ko na. Sa ganito, busog na ako nito. So, okay guys. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day. Enjoy drinking your smoothie. Cheers. Peace out. Bye-bye.